So today I'll be showing you what to do in case your MacBook Neo is not charging. So you've plugged in the cable and it's not charging. So there are a couple of things you can check. One is to try the alternative port. So there are two ports on your MacBook Neo. You can try the other port. Both ports should be able to charge your MacBook. Now, if that still doesn't work, then you might want to try and plug in a different head. And by head, I mean power brick. So try and use a different power brick and see if that works. If that still isn't working, then you might want to try and restart your MacBook. Now, of course, if your MacBook is off and out of battery completely, you'll not be able to restart it. But in case it's on, always try a restart. It normally fixes a lot of problems with components on the Mac or MacBook. If that still isn't working, you might want to try using a different USB-C cable. So just go and grab another USB-C cable, especially one that you've tried to charge other devices with and it's working. So you plug it in and then also try a different head. You can also try a different socket. You might have a problem with that specific socket. So check that. And out of all those things, you might have a solution to your problem of your MacBook Neo not charging. In fact, let me know if any of these solutions helped you. And if you're still having a problem, maybe let us know in the comments so you can hang out there and chat and maybe try and fix your specific issue. But that's how to address or how to fix a MacBook Neo that is not charging. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.